Introducing Vekta, the ultimate all-rounder turbofan, combining a powerful airflow with a 98,000 RPM brushless motor. Vekta Turbo Fan is designed to be versatile, efficient, and portable. It is designed to handle a wide range of tasks: cleaning, cooling, blowing, drying, and inflating. You can use it to dry your pets, hair, or even your freshly washed motorcycle. Vekta is perfect for removing dust and wiping down electronics without damaging them. It features 3 speed settings: normal, medium, and turbo. It is also your go-to tool for inflating paddleboards, balloons, cushions, air mattresses, inflatable boats, seat cushions, and more. Need to cool off on a hot day or start a campfire? Vekta has you covered with its strong airflow. Join us on Kickstarter and be one of the first to experience the power and convenience of the Vekta Mini Turbofan.